Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Learn how to use the Z2 Powershell and extended battery with your Breas Z2 CPAP. The Powershell conveniently houses your Z2 and battery to unify everything you need for a great night's sleep without cords. When purchasing this item, you will receive the extended life battery with shuttle and the Powershell with the neoprene sleeve. To insert both the extended battery and your Z2 CPAP, first slide the battery into the lower bay of the Powershell. You will hear a soft click indicating the battery has locked into place. Then, slide the Z2 into the upper bay of the Powershell. You will hear another click indicating the machine has secured into place. To know that it's connected properly, the Z2 will light up and power on in standby mode and will read 0.0. To finish setting up your machine for CPAP therapy, next connect the flex hose to the Z2 tube adapter and plug it into the port on the bottom of your machine. Connect the other end of the flex hose with the Q light muffler, designed to lessen noise during therapy. Grab your CPAP tubing and connect one end of it to your muffler and the other end to your CPAP mask. Or, add the optional HME to add moisture to your therapy air for added comfort before attaching it to your mask. You're all set for CPAP therapy. For more information about the Q light muffler and HME, check out our other videos linked below. To charge the battery, ensure that it and your Z2 CPAP are both inserted into the Powershell. Plug the power supply into an outlet and the cord into your machine through the shell. Ensure the Z2 is in standby mode reading 0.0. When it is properly attached, the plug symbol will appear and the battery status will flash. The number of solid bars indicates the current level of charge. To release the Z2 from the Powershell, press and hold the two blue arrows at the bottom of the gray sleeve while pulling up your CPAP. To release the battery, locate, press, and hold the two blue buttons on the white cap while pulling the battery up and out. We wish you luck with your CPAP therapy and hope you found this video helpful. For further questions, please call our team at 866-414-9700. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.